if I were to start network marketing all over again, this is what I would do differently than I did when I first started almost a decade ago. So going back to when I first started, I was ignorance on fire. I was spamming all of my friends and family, and I was putting up these posts and these stock images, and guess what? I was getting sales, and it was amazing. And I told everybody on my team that was joining me and that was asking about the business, I was like, this is like stupid easy money. It's amazing. Let me tell you, that's really not a good business model. So what I would do differently if I were just getting started is I would build myself very differently than I did when I started almost a decade ago. So number one of the first things that I would do differently is I would make sure that I would brand myself and not my company's name. Why do I do that? Well, I would say that the brand that I have created, which is me, this YouTube video over here where I give you tons of strategies on what it takes to be a top earner in the network marketing space, so definitely make sure you like and follow so you don't miss out on any of my trainings, has been the impetus for my success. Because when people buy from you, especially online, which is where I've built my business this entire time, it is so that they can learn that like, know, and trust factor. And that takes time to build, and the quickest way to build it, though, is through creating a brand. And so I like to think about when you're creating a brand online, it's like watching a reality TV show, right? People love to know about what other people are doing and what their days look like. And so creating that brand helps build out that like, know, and trust factor so much quicker than it can any other way. And so, and when I first got started, I was with a makeup company, and that makeup company would sell, and I would do some like get ready with me videos, but quite honestly, it just felt very different. It didn't feel real and raw for me. And so when I started to create content that was of value is when I really started to, be able to draw people into my sphere. So number one, the first thing I would definitely recommend is to create a brand. Your company is not your brand. You are your brand, right? And so remember, people want to know your day-to-day life. Even though it might not seem exciting to you, it's exciting to other people. And so people love to live vicariously through others. So definitely make sure that you're creating a brand for yourself. The second thing that I would do differently is when I first got started, about maybe it was like a year or two into my network marketing career, I learned all about attraction marketing. And I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. This is genius. This is so gold. But what I wasn't doing is I wasn't actually having conversations. Attraction marketing is great where you're putting out posts and people are kind of coming into your sphere because you've created that brand for yourself. But what I wasn't doing is I wasn't having conversations in Messenger. And so I was waiting for people to come to me and say, hey, I want to do what you're doing, Julie. And yes, I did get some of those type of, comments and people showing up in my Messenger. It was kind of a slow go. And so what I realized is I call it the $1 million messenger for a reason. Using attraction marketing is fantastic. It's definitely the way to go, but you want to make sure that you're having conversations with anybody that is liking your post, commenting on your post. All you need to do is you need to just send them a message inside a messenger. Thank you so much for the love on my post. I really appreciate it. How are you doing? What's new with you? The key to success is to have conversations. The person that has the most conversations is going to be the most successful, right? So attraction marketing is great for getting people kind of into your pipeline, but it takes more than just putting up a post on social media in order to have success. The success happens inside of Messenger. And so if content like this is helpful, if you want to find a way to build your business and get leads coming to you using YouTube, what I'm going to do is in the description of this video, I'm going to give you a link to my masterclass on how I've built my business on YouTube using attraction marketing, using YouTube as my main social media platform to help me grow my business. I think it's super, super valuable. It's one of the very few trainings out there for network marketers. In fact, I think it's the only training out there for network marketers on how to use YouTube, because I'm the only one that teaches it as a network marketer. So definitely make sure in the description of this video, you check that out. Now, the third thing that I would recommend when you are trying to build your business, if I were to do it all over again, is I would make sure that I interviewed the person who I was joining, whoever team I was joining, my leader, my upline, whatever you want to call it. And here's why. They're interviewing you to see if you're going to be a good fit, but equally you need to be interviewing them to see if they are a good fit, right? What type of systems do they have in place for your team? What are the minimums? What are the requirements? Are you going to be shipping product? Are you going to be having to carry inventory? All of that is super duper important. And these were questions that I did not think to ask before I got started. Another thing is there's a lot of times there's these big leaders in the industry and it sounds great to be on their team, but the reality is they're not so actively involved with their team. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're interviewing the person that you're joining, making sure that they're showing up daily in their business, that they're growing, that they're able to provide you with the support and the resources that are needed in order for you to be successful. And just feel that it is totally okay to interview your potential upline just as much as they're interviewing yours, because we just don't want anybody on our teams and we just don't want anybody as our upline. So again, guys, if content like this is helpful, definitely make sure you like and follow for more videos that I put out every single week that are going to help you. If you want to build your business on YouTube, like I said, I am the only network marketer that I know of that actually teaches other network marketers how to build on YouTube. So in the description of this video, I'm going to put it out there. Make sure you join me for all of my trainings over here on YouTube, and feel free to join my Facebook group as well, where I put out even more trainings. I hope that this was helpful. I'll see you next week.